Tanky Fadisha. There is no better place or time for you to bring flowers.
Any door. The children brought the flowers for decoration day.
I remember. The older folks say Memorial Day.
On May 1, 1865, 10,000 Gullah Geechees honored 250 Union soldiers that had been buried here in one large or mass grave.
Was this always a graveyard or park?
The Bokra them race horse, yeah? During the Civil War, it was a prison.
Is Denmark Vesey or Gullah Jack buried here?
Good question. No one is buried here now. We still honor them here, though. Yet 28 Gullah Geechee men called Friends of the Martyrs made sure that every one of the 257 soldiers had
graves. They were later moved to the National Cemetery.
Bruford, South Carolina, where you see graves decorated each May. 3,000 Gullah Geechee children led a parade of 10,000 folks here in 1865.
The chillin' had the flowers and sang John Brown's Body.
While the Gullah Geechee adults buried slavery here.
I'm glad they buried slavery, and Denmark Vesey stood for freedom.
Tanky, sir.
Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom.
Huna chillin' celebrate Decoration Day to honor the ancestors.
And wine home till we go and be free.